Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add close friends on your Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on your profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and after this you can click on the three lights icon at the top. And now you can click on your close friend in here. Click on it, and then in here you can choose the friends that you want to add to your close friend. I want to add this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And after this, in here you just click on done at the bottom. And now you can see your close friend on here. I'm sorry, like this. Okay, in here you can send your story on your close friend. So that's how to add a close friends on your Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.